Hi, welcome to Tag Arcade. And in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to submit an app to the Amazon App Store. So in order to get started, we have to go to File and Build Settings and go to Player Settings. So when you do it, make sure under the Published Settings, the key store is completely blank and that the key is unsigned. Once you do that, it is advisable to prepare the Android manifest for the Kindle Fire. So in order to do that, go into the Google Android projects and check off that box and go ahead and hit export. So within here, you could name this whatever you want, but in my example, I'll just call it Android Database. Go ahead and hit select folder, and that's going to build your project. So for time's sake, I went ahead and did it ahead of time. So here's my Android-Database folder. If you go into your project, you're going to see the Android manifest. Go ahead and click on Edit, and it's going to open it up. I'm pretty sure on a Mac you could use Text Edit too. And we are going to copy this one line that says uses SDK, Android, so on and so forth. Now let's go ahead and look up the Android manifest for Kindle Fire. Kindle Fire? Or Amazon. It's not Unity 3. There we go. So we're going to do the second one, targeting Amazon devices with your Android manifest. So if you look into this, we're going to take that one link that says uses-amazon-SDK and go ahead and copy that to the line that you just made a copy of. So with my minimum SDK, I'm going to choose 0. And for my target version, I'm going to choose 4. So what does this mean? So I'm just going to hit save first. So if you go back into that tutorial or that documentation from Amazon, one of the links should say Manifest Filter Reference. Go ahead and click on it, and it's going to open up a Microsoft, or it's going to open up an Excel file. And if you open it up, it's going to tell you what the uses Amazon SDK versions are for all the different devices. So if you target it at 0, you're going to target pretty much all the devices. And you could target a specific device, say, for the Kindle Fire HDX, which is number 3. So that's how to figure out what the different versions mean. So once you do that, you could update your file, your manifest, hit File Save, close it, and you have your project. So if you're familiar with the Android Studio or the Eclipse Android SDK environment, you can go ahead and take this project, build it, and it should work. For everyone else, you could actually do this within Unity as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to right-click anywhere in your project folder, and you're going to create a folder. So you have to name this plugins so that Unity knows that this is a plugin that we should compile. Go ahead and right-click on that as well and say Android, because we need to tell Unity that this is an Android plugin. Once you create that folder, let's see, go ahead and drop the Android manifest in there. So I'm going to take that Android manifest, I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it into that folder. Once you do that, go ahead and check the Android manifest just to make sure it has the Amazon SDK versions in it. Now, you can go ahead and go to Build Settings, uncheck where it says Google Android Project, hit Build, and go ahead and build out your Amazon APK file. So I did that ahead of time, so I'm not going to do it again. But yeah, once you go ahead and do that, you could then submit it to the Amazon App Store. So in order to do that, the website is going to be developer.amazon.com/myapps.html. So go ahead and sign in. or create an account if this is your first time. Okay. Did I just not? Okay. So once you sign in, you could go ahead and update an existing app or add a new app. So I'm just gonna go add a new app. And yeah, go ahead and go to your binary files, either for your current version or the upcoming version. We're gonna upload another binary, and here it is, binary files. Go ahead and click on it and select your APK, hit open, and it's gonna upload your files to the Amazon App Store. And all you have to do next is simply fill in the rest of the information and hit submit. And that's it. If you like what you hear, subscribe. If you have any questions for me, feel free to leave the comments below or shoot me an email directly. And until next time, have fun and just keep on creating games.